Stuck with a garage door that just won't budge? You might be dealing with a broken spring. Garage doors rely on two main types of springs for smooth operation: torsion and extension springs. These springs counterbalance your door's weight, but over time, they can give in to wear and tear. Before we dive into repairs, safety is key. Always wear protective gear, and if you're not comfortable with DIY repairs, it's best to call in the pros. First, identify your spring type. Torsion springs are mounted above the garage door, while extension springs run along the tracks on either side. For torsion springs, secure the door, loosen the set screws, and carefully unwind the broken spring. Then, wind the new spring in place and tighten everything securely. Replacing extension springs, clamp the door in place, disconnect the old spring, and carefully hook the new one onto the pulley system. Ensure it's properly balanced for smooth operation. Need professional help? Don't hesitate to call 1-866-992-1816 and speak to a garage door repair and installation technician. We're here to help. After installation, double-check your work. Ensure all hardware is tight and the door operates smoothly. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent future breakdowns. And there you have it. Your garage door should be back in action. For more handy DIY fixes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.